guys, today I am going to be working on my 64 Falcon. For those of you that follow me on Instagram, you may have noticed that the pulley for the water pump broke. So I'm going to fix that because I want to get this car back on the road. So I'm going to start by draining the radiator and go from there. Let's get started. All right, here we are in the engine bay. Here is my pulley that is broken. So that's what we're gonna work on here. All right. So we're just gonna let that do its thing. Okay, I'm gonna be removing my hose clamps now, and I'm using a 5/16. Cool, that was easier than I thought it was gonna be. Okay, I'm gonna close this off now. And now I'm gonna go down and remove this hose down here. Okay, here is the hose on the bottom that I'm going to remove now. Oops. Now that my radiator is drained and the hoses have been taken off, I'm going to take out the radiator. And I'm using a 1/2 inch for my bolts. Now I have the wire for my fan. I'm going to disconnect that. And now I can take out the radiator. All right, here's my pulley. Oh man, that's great. This is my attempt to taking out the bolts. I thought I would try putting WD-40 on and use a hammer drill. You can see how successful that was. I'm going to be using a blowtorch now to heat up the bolts. I was able to break all the bolts. So now that they've been loosened, I'm going to take them off. They're a 3/16, so I'm going to use this to loosen them, and I'm using this to hold so that the water pump isn't spinning while I'm trying to get these off. I didn't even need this. So anyway, that's fine. The bolts are off and the plate is on here, but probably hot. Yeah, that's still hot. All right, but we're done. I got that part done, so that's good. Okay, I got my new pulley, and so now I'm gonna install it. I also got different bolts. This was the old bolt. These ones are a little bit longer, and they're not Allen's, because those are Allen's. And I'm just gonna test it out first and make sure that the radiator will clear with the new ones. So I'm just testing out. That looks like it should clear. I know this isn't like in here, but there is a gap between the bolts and the radiator. Okay, I am putting on the new pulley, and I have 1/2 inch bolts that I got here. So we're just gonna get those in. Like so. I have my impact drill. Now we're gonna get these tightened up. Perfect. Now I'm going to move on and get the radiator in. Okay, good. Might as well just put that back on since I'm down here. And now I'm going to tighten those all up over here. Okay, I decided I want an extender. Those are all on, nice and snug. Put this on. Okay, now I'm going to tighten the clamp for the hose down here. Now I am loosening the 2 Allen bolts on my alternator. The top one's a 3/8 and the bottom one is a 5/16. Once those are loosened, then I can slide the alternator in order to fit on the belt.
Where are you fixing something?
I'm fixing the water pump pulley. We're gonna put the belt back on. You're trying to find a place that's good for you to climb up.
Yeah, Bobby, what are you doing? The your water pump. Bobby's having that. Bobby had that.
There we go. Okay, we'll see if that...
All right, I have loosened the Allen bolts, and now I'm going to put the belt on.
All right, cool. Well, that's good. Now, slide that back. And then we'll tighten.
Okay, I am now tightening the Allen bolts for the alternator now that I've got the belt on. And then I'm going to fill up the radiator with coolant and get the car started. Make sure that everything is good to go. Spoiler alert, it is. Thank you guys for watching.